Alright YouTube, what's going on? Got a package in the mail today. Unboxed it from Mid-Atlantic Off-Roading. Thanks so much for purchasing from Mid-Atlantic Off-Roading. Our company provides premium products at affordable prices. So, nice little signed card there, which is sweet. And what this is, it's called the Cuatro. So not only is this like a nice postcard, it's a way to show you how to use this product. So what this product is, it's in a nice bag too, by the way. I did not expect that. This camera down. There we go. I'm outside, so might hear some noises. So it comes in a bag, and what it is, it's a tire, 4-way tire inflator deflator. To sum it up in a nutshell. And why would you need this? If you're off-roading and you want to air down your tires to obviously get better traction, the ride's a little bit better. There's lots of benefits to it. This allows you to do it all at once. So instead of having to do each individual tire, you hook this up to your, and I'm not sure how to use one of these, to be honest with you, because I'm pretty new to the scene, but I know this is something that you want to have just for convenience sakes more than anything. So they luckily give you instructions here on how to use it, and there's even included tire gauge in here. So it tells you how to inflate and deflate your tires, which is awesome, man, because, you know, I'm sure I could figure it out, but like having this instruction thing is super nice. So it comes with the full kit, all the chucks you need, the tire gauge, the tubing, everything you need to inflate or deflate your tires all at once, essentially. I'm going to keep that in the bag though, because just in case, you know. Hopefully, I mean, it's a pretty good sized bag too. I wonder if I can fit my air compressor in here. I don't know, it might be tight, but it'd be cool to have it all in one bag. Right now my air compressor is in my recovery pod, I call it, in my lightener gear pod here. Oh, and you know what I did? I have 2 different keys, so I labeled them, because I'm smart like that. Hopefully the Sharpies, oh no, the Sharpie wore off. That's driver's side, okay, I figured that one at least. Yep, right key. So I've got a lot of my recovery gear here, and that's my compressor right there. So I might be able to fit. I'm gonna try it. Check it out. We were able to fit this compressor. This is the 12 volt, 150 psi Pittsburgh from Harbor Freight. Got some good ratings for being a budget compressor. I've got the hose it came with, as well as the gauge, as well as the whole entire Cuatro setup in one bag. So this is genius. Thank you so much for getting this bag big enough to fit my compressor and this in. It's all in one spot. I love that. I also added these guys, easy deflators, off of Amazon. So if you don't want to use the Cuatro to do this, if you want to just use it to air up, that's an option. There we go. And you can just attach these to each individual tire. There's a setting on here you can choose what PSI you want. So if you want to go to like 20 PSI, you just set them all to 20 PSI, and then you just attach them to your tires and let them do their job. So you can use that as well. So probably the easier way to deflate, obviously inflating was the main reason I got this, so you can do all 4 tires at once and not have to spend, you know, a ton of time re-inflating your tires. So pretty sick setup. Thanks again for Mid-Atlantic Off-Road for sending this out. I did pay for this. You know, it was like 140, 150 bucks, which when I looked around and shopped around for a similar system, that's a really good price, one of the best out there. And they got it to me in like 2 days. Super fast shipping, awesome. So yeah, make sure you check those guys out. That's definitely a quality product for your overlanding needs. See you next time.